Help today's students become tomorrow's innovators with easy prep STEM lessons and challenges. The 15 STEM challenges provide you low prep lessons that guide students through the entire STEM process, including redesign. Every unit provides a suggested materials list to create the STEM challenge, a science text to build background, real-world examples, a hands-on STEM challenge. A design process worksheet helps guide students through the engineering process of plan, create, test, and evaluate. Students work together to complete the STEM challenge. After students build their design, they test, evaluate, and refine their design as needed. STEM lessons and challenges nurtures design thinking and a growth mindset. STEM lessons and challenges supports current science and math standards and is available for grades 1 through 6. Check it out today.